Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox console, ensuring you're ready to game in no time. The very first and most fundamental step is to provide power to your console. Locate the power port on the back of your Xbox and firmly insert the power cable. Then, plug the other end directly into a wall outlet. It's always best to avoid power strips for your console to ensure a consistent and reliable power supply, preventing any potential issues during gameplay or updates. Once your console has power, the next essential step is connecting it to your display. You'll need an HDMI cable, which typically comes included with your Xbox. Find the HDMI OUT port on the back of your console and plug one end of the cable in. Then, take the other end and connect it to an available HDMI in port on your television or monitor. Remember which HDMI input number you used, like HDMI 1 or 2, as you'll need to select that input on your display to see your Xbox. To unlock the full potential of your Xbox, an internet connection is vital for updates, online gaming, and accessing digital content. You have two primary options: a wired Ethernet connection or wireless Wi-Fi. For the most stable experience, we recommend plugging an Ethernet cable directly from your router into the Ethernet port on the back of your Xbox. If Wi-Fi is your preference, you'll set that up through the console's on-screen menu once it's powered on, selecting your network and entering your password. With all the necessary cables securely connected, power, HDMI, and your chosen internet method, you're ready to power on your Xbox console. Simply press the large Xbox button on the front of the console or on your controller. Your display should now show the Xbox logo and guide you through the initial setup process. This includes selecting your language, region, and logging into your Microsoft account. Once these few steps are complete, your Xbox is fully connected and ready for countless hours of gaming fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.